All right. Driver ready, Marshall ready. On the tone. That's a good start. You guys get a lap in here and we'll going over it.
Oh! Except when you crisscross me there, I would expect the crisscross. No, you're fine. You can grade your line. I wouldn't expect
All right, after the first lap, Jammer's in the lead. Austin second, Alan third, and Chad, George, John, J-Man, and Chris. Leader down the backstretch, second, right behind him. Your leader is in that red and yellow car. He's already working lap traffic. Please be courteous to your racers. They will be courteous to you. First is in the red and yellow car, Jamie. Second is in the all blue car, Austin Duback. Third is in the purple car, Alan Christie. Fourth, Jordan Raw. In the blue car, your leaders are already working the wall ride. Through the switchbacks over the tabletop, go all the backstretch, clear. All right, Jamie has pulled out 2A. 4.2 second lead. Just on the track, Austin and Alan for third are separated by 0.335 seconds. Please make room for your racers as they're coming through. That red and yellow car is your leader. Watch out for the hip jump, watch out for the hip jump. Low on the backstretch, low on the backstretch, low on the backstretch. Low on the backstretch, clear. Your leaders over the hip jump. Your best battle is still for second and third. At the line, Austin is second. Jordan Wall is third, 0.36 behind. Chad is up to fourth, only 4/10 of a second behind Jordan. 3, 4, and 5 are right there together, going down the step down. Over the hip jump. Austin second, Chad the third. Jammer is gone. Go low after the hip jump, low after the hip jump. Clear. Again, that red and yellow car is your leader. Please give him room. Jamie's in the lead. We got 3 minutes and 48 seconds left. Austin, you're 5.6 seconds behind. Chad, you're 1.2 seconds behind. Justin is up to fourth. The blue and pink car is up to fourth. Jordan Wall is right behind them. That's your closest battle. Over the hip jump. Fourth and fifth. Go after there's a click. Chad, you are 1.2 seconds behind Austin. Austin, you are 4.8 seconds behind Jamie.
Inside, after the wall ride. After the wall ride, we're at the wall ride.
Chad, Jordan, you are 1.2 seconds behind Justin.
Come on. Joe, you run into me.
Go off on the backstretch, go high on the backstretch, high on the backstretch. After the switchbacks, go high on the wall ride, high on the wall ride, high on the wall ride. Right there, right there. All right, that was pretty crazy action. We got 2 minutes, 19 seconds left. Jamie's in the lead. Chad is now up to second, 5 seconds behind Jamie. Jordan, third, 14 seconds behind Chad. Austin, fourth. Justin, fifth. Do not yell at your marshals. They're doing the best they can. All right, your leaders on the step down. Jamie is in the lead. Let's see where he's at when he crosses the line.
Watch on the backstretch, backstretch,
Watch backstretch. Go on the backstretch. Clear. Jamie has a 7-second lead over Chad. Third place is just now crossing the line. Jordan, you are 13 seconds behind Chad, 14 seconds behind Chad. Alan, you are 15 seconds behind Jordan. Justin, you are fifth, 1.2 seconds behind Alan. Your second place is that white, orange, and black car. He is trying to chase down the leader. Please give him room. They are the only two on the same lap. You are not racing them. I'm sorry, there's only two on the lead lap. The rest of you guys are. At the line, Jamie's lead is now 3.2 seconds over Chad. 3.2 seconds over Chad. Jordan, you are 17 seconds behind Chad. Justin, you are in fourth, 15 seconds behind Jordan.
Inside after the chicane, Chad. Right here.
Oh, Chad is reeling in Jamie. He's got 19 seconds left. It is down to 2.6 seconds. Jamie's going through the switchback. Chad's over the wall ride. Jamie over the tabletop through the rhythm section. Down the stair step. Oh, Chad gets upside down. That is your second place there in the orange and white car. All right, Jamie. Keep going. They didn't catch you. Chris, you're done. Finish your laps. Jamie made it through. Everybody else is going to get caught by the timer. Jamie, you are done. Still waiting on John and Austin. Still waiting on John. All right, everybody just finished.